In this video, you'll learn how to generate a full summative quiz from your course content in one pass. Questions, answers, feedback, and all. Then refine it exactly as you want. An AI quiz builds a complete assessment from your course content automatically. It draws on everything you've already written, the topics, the pages, the learning objectives, and hands it back to you fully editable. In the course sidebar, click Add Quiz. Two options: manual quiz, where you author each question yourself, and AI quiz, which generates the entire quiz from your course content. Pick AI quiz. The AI quiz creation workflow opens. 3 steps: configuration, settings, pages. Step 1, configuration. First thing to notice, the content depth banner. CourseAgent has read your actual course content and is telling you in plain words how many genuinely unique questions it can write. That number isn't a guess. It's based on the concepts already in your course minus anything already tested in knowledge checks. Number of quiz questions. Pick from the drop-down. Question style. Factual is straight recall. Scenario-based wraps each question in a 2 to 4 sentence applied scenario, higher order assessment in a single click. Question depth sets the cognitive level. Basic tests facts, definitions, and recall. Intermediate tests understanding and application. The default for most quizzes. Advanced tests, deeper thinking, problem solving, and synthesis. Answer depth controls the feedback explanation. Brief gives a short explanation of why the correct answer is right. Standard expands on that and connects back to broader course themes. Detail covers why the correct answer is right, why the alternatives are wrong, and the broader context. Click Next. Step 2, Settings. Pass percentage. Set the bar. Show feedback after each question. Yes means immediate learning after every answer. No holds feedback until the end. Shuffle question order on retry. Randomizes order for second attempts to discourage rote learning. On the right, the thumbnail. This appears on the quiz introduction page. Click Next. Step 3, Pages. Pick one of the 5 intro page templates. They differ in how the title, image, and call to action are laid out. You can change this later. Click Create Quiz. CourseAgent now generates the full quiz. Behind the scenes, it's drawing on your course title, overview, the actual page content, plus your target audience, geographic focus, prior knowledge, course complexity, and writing tone, the parameters you set when you created the course. Every question is checked against existing knowledge checks in the course so nothing repeats. The quiz lands with 4 areas, visible in the page drop-down. Quiz introduction. The start screen with your thumbnail, the instructions, the duration, and a Start Quiz button. Passed page, shown when the learner scores at or above the pass mark. Not passed page, shown when they score below. Both result pages are fully editable. Quiz questions. Every generated question, 1 per page. 1 question per page means cleaner focus, easier tracking, and the freedom to mix question types without crowding a page. Everything is editable. The question stem, the options, the correct answer, and the feedback. Click the blue cog to open properties and head to the feedback tab to fine-tune the explanations. One more thing worth knowing. Open quiz settings and switch to the AI generation tab. This sets the defaults for every further AI question you add to this quiz. You can also change the pass percentage and feedback rules from here. Want to add another question? Click Add New Question. An empty question slot appears. Click Choose Question Type and the question library opens. Pick a type, say Single Select. The empty slot has 2 buttons, a blue plus to add manually and a green sparkle to let CourseAgent draft it for you. Click the sparkle. The Generate AI section dialog opens at the same intelligent layer as the original quiz generation. Content depth check at the top, telling you how much room is left for genuinely new questions. Question style, factual or scenario-based. The course parameters are all inherited automatically. Hit Generate Content. CourseAgent scans every existing question in the course, knowledge checks on learning pages and the questions already on this quiz, and drafts something new on a concept that hasn't been tested yet. The question lands fully editable with feedback populated. A full quiz generated from your actual course content with deduplication built in, parameter inheritance throughout, and the option to top it up, question by question whenever you need more. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.